guys, welcome to Fun Monkey. I'm Tharani and today in Fun Monkey, I'll be reading to you Bee-Bim-Bop by Linda Sue Park. Now let's get on with the video. Almost time for supper. Rushing to the store. Mama buys the groceries. More, Mama, more. Hurry, Mama, hurry. Gotta shop, shop, shop. Hungry, hungry, hungry for some Bee-Bim-Bop. Home in the kitchen. Eggs to stir and fry, Mama. Catch the spatula. Flip the eggs high. Hurry, Mama, hurry. Gotta flip, flip, flop. Hungry, hungry, hungry for some Bee-Bim-Bop. Rice is on the boil, bubbling in the pot. Wet and sticky, lickety, steaming good and hot. Hurry, flurry, rice. Gotta pop, pop, pop. Hungry, hungry, hungry for some Bee-Bim-Bop. Mama's knife is shiny, slicing fast and neat. Garlic and green onions, skinny strips of meat. Hurry, Mama, hurry. Gotta chop, chop, chop. Hungry, very hungry for some Bee-Bim-Bop. Spinach, sprouts, and carrots, each goes in a pan. Let me pour the water in. Yes, I know I can. Sorry, Mama, sorry. Gotta mop, mop, mop. Hungry in a hurry for some Bee-Bim-Bop. Bowls go on the table, big one striped in blue. I help set the glasses out, spoons and chopsticks too. Hurry, family, hurry, gotta hop, hop, hop. Dinner's on the table and it's Bee-Bim-Bop. Quiet for a moment, Papa says the grace. Everybody says amen, a smile on every face. Rice goes in the middle, egg goes right on top. Mix it, mix like crazy. Time for Bee-Bim-Bop. Bee-Bim-Bop recipe.